Me can say that Nkoko Nkiti initiative no. A good one. Nanke beboa because the idea. I mean the goal na etechi was that.
Good.
One mo be na Nkoko fosu a ye kra de ba wo man mu bebrebe na ebo manika. In fact say wo hwe millions of dollars a ye de kokra na ye de ba kuromu ha no ani e fin says ye ne ha. Na Ghana for no one ye na manfo to ni kuromu ha.
That's right.
Ebema sika no kra no aka ha enye te say man hodo so nya so mfaso ne ade ye nya bie di no e say create employment na sika nso eka. So me it was a good one say won be introduce say ade ne de aboa nti e buy no say manfo budget so a e bi kra yo madwen say yo mo kopengu kobu aye den abo a Ghana for man welcome pa.
Yes.
But to my surprise and listening to and now no honorable Eric Opoku no na meraho meraho because how can you say Yamau your child budget at war initiative we would be support now be can't me say enkrofo ade koma wo no you couldn't do the necessary follow up.
Yes,
it would do you no marry.
That's how the video send.
Hey, but one thing I want to tell the NDC appointees in NSA now yechi obi say o yesusu si wadi sika na say bibi wa bo man ka financial loss wa na eniji aba because you say oral no ye adwuma. But they must be mindful say the NDC appointees no eso mo de show mutiri mu say one day they could be oral plus and oral.
Yes,
oral plus. Na sa oral plus na ebeba no. Said the Ghana for eta oral chi say no.
Sa
beta oral plus na chi sa ban sesa. Say be yes, ka bi o man na hwere no. Ye beje ne back.
Okay.
So they should put this at the back of their minds. Na the omu ye bia na omu say Ghana for sika ye de ye bibia ye ni be ko ho. State resources are state resources.
That's right.
It is for Ghanaians. Untimi fa won sang ye say me de ye de me pe bia e ka ba o man ne mra na ubedi. One, Nkoko Nkiti no. What was the plan of implementation? NDC e benya nkrofo a e benya Nkoko no. You be trading omo, right?
That's right.
Na ya hwe ba bi omo de begu no so say ehoye. Even veterinary officers say wo I mean districts near they were supposed to be involved.
That's right.
In the operation so mbe hwe say Nkoko no betimi survival.
Good.
Na no ma betimi akoye. So what happened along the line?
Okay.
These are questions as you bisa. And here for na de share wo nsa.
Okay.
At the regional level, national level, regional level, district level, here for na share wo nsa.
Okay.
We are aware say ye wo enkrofo a delegate you so omu na nhwe se Nkoko Nkiti officers. That is it. So accountability no it is saying on their side.
Good.
Yentimi nka so o mari keke.
Dabi.
On say e de ade bi ba o. E be kakra no ye be ka say bi omo nwi o. O kai say on be kan confirm a kire na nya confirm. Na on ga say confirm tutu ka kire be to ja say nya confirm. We manfo so de be ye. Yare. Aha, so hu na no so be ba. Enti Sabre enkrofo na da no wo national region and a district no Eric Opoku family ye o mema ye list.
Okay.
Baby a wo call ye enkrofo no so wo marry
no.
Because I'm aware say bi nwe o mo de.
That's right.
E bi gu so yen.
Good. Beneficial say true be.
Yes. E di o mo marry no. District bi o mo nya 10,000, e bi nya 50,000, bi nya 20,000. So ye misa say himfo no mo de ma wo mo. Dodo say no mo marry free mu. E ka say e na do o marry no ya bo. Then we can work on that. Now, my disappointed kakra because okay, planting for food and jobs.
Oh yes, Kofi.
So okay,
and a raring for food and export.
Yes, already at the Abana Ghana food because a come day. Na ya so musa be wiase na de ahwewo. Adan na state no. Yentimi nkase sa no me ye de ba ye be nya state farms. Tio. State farms. Say bi anka region bia ye benya tens or hundreds of acres bi. Yes, and they are buying the the national service for almost started so we be a front place or so say. Nanka yes, region bia yenya bi. Then Nkoko Nkiti yanki eken. Enkiaye in large scale. Send ye 10,000 or say 20,000, 100,000 beds.
That's right.
Yet me develop a place, acres of land.
That's right.
Ya fa you fear gum and no create employment. Nkoko no ye benya ye so beba mfaso no. Ya export to be enya sika di bitu o ka.
That's right. O betumi awi bi nso.
Ye wo proper monitoring. Na brabeji ko ofie. Fa kogu Nkoko buom.
Dabi.
na essential officers no kro omo ye sen ya nipa dodo a ye cha mo betumi akọ omu nyina ho enti definitely ebiberry and I'm not surprised say biare because when I heard these things going on no
that's right
make I said I be adena be hardware idea no ye but the implementation wrong.
Yeah,
we must, if we are thinking see ebenya say planting for food and jobs by a fairly nkokon kitenkete so is a sheki aseneto so can center boat wetu no eye bibi e wo ho minim said ye ko e de e be hwefem say team o ma sha se read de nkokon kitenkete no be hwefem I wouldn't be surprised such na ye beka say nkokon kitenkete na ekoye no ya boka say ya anya I'm not surprised ye state farms region bia na employ youth no when to me kwabna
ebetimi yes simple you know wo kura what them how offer solution to it yeah assassin that yantam
what about Ashanti region kra na wa court kokoso and wa can say this is the project we want to do.
That's right.
They won't support you. Get a land a state farm kakraka Eastern region wakojibi northern region other place no na kakraka you for what region e be employ bom who export so a ubenya sika free ye de bia twetwa o moka o man no kra nsha da moka kesika na we manfo abeja ase o makore there must be investigation into this o mo investigate sa de we o mo are ye no yenya list no de ntia o mo re ye no na o kwabna ma misa question o te so o mo kan se wo ye na nkokɔ ni nyina fo o mo bra ban wa
dabi
omo kan say wo yen na nkokɔ ni nyina ton ne first kan bra ban
dabi
enti afi de no mpɛ so omo kan honorable Eric Okuku
okay
de contract na mo ne wo mo amode nkokɔ no ma wo mo ne kɔe because one man na ehu de ɛsɛ wo ye wo nkokɔ na chi de a akokɔ so wo nyina yere kwamna yenwe
yetimi we
enti we news abe ka che people must be held accountable yemma wo mo a yenim se policy na ni so wo mo we na wo ma we a wo a educate wo mo yi a wo ma we nkokɔ no ese wo mra ne wudi yetu o mam na de bia ya woka ne abeye sire hehe ne asere keke ne yekɔ sai sika we wuni bi betimi aye
Kofi ye mama baba but answer na mama baba Kofi yenye kakra na enti ye beko na ya koto aso ho enti ye go Kofi ye go na afei ye hwede ye besi ye na Uniat Protocol Institute me ba chopi ma catch us say the way from hushim pa sanse babunu bia hiansa no djuma Uniat say
The Nkukon Kitinkiti project will cover 55,000 households producing eggs and fresh poultry for the market, and it will help reduce our $300 million we spend on importing chicken annually.
A few moments later.
Some also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that, Honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption. We just wanted people to rear them, sell, and reinvest so that it becomes.
Honorable Minister, that's the trendy story, that they are eating the birds.
We actually have a project called Nkukon Kitinkiti.